Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to edit a video on iPhone. First of all, open your Photos app and open the specific video which you want to edit and tap on edit to the top right corner. Now you can trim your video from here and tap on this icon here to adjust your video color. You can increase or decrease the value using this level. Then tap on this filter icon to add a filter to your video. Tap on this crop icon and you can crop your video from here. You can rotate your video by tapping on this icon. You can flip your video using this icon and tap on done, and that's how you can edit a video on iPhone. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.